Hi guys! My name is Dini Maesaro.
My name is Naila Utari.
Today we will do an English segment regarding a dialogue showing direction to Tanah Abang Station, Gondang Dia Station, and Monas using a motorcycle. Hi, I'm visiting Jakarta for the first time by motorcycle. Could you help me with direction? I need to go to Tanah Abang Station, then Gondang Dia Station, and Monas as the final destination.
Of course, I'll help you with directions. And since you're going by motorcycle, it will be much faster than walking or taking public transport.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. But first, can I know your name?
Sure, my name is Naila, and how about you?
My name is Dini. So, Naila, how do I get to Tanah Abang Station first?
From Belawan Street, just go straight until Citarum Street. And for about 10 minutes, just keep going straight until you find Tanah Abang Station. It's one of the busiest places in Jakarta, so you'll probably see a lot of people on the road. But on a motorcycle, it should be faster than if you were in a car.
Is Tanah Abang further than other station like Sudirman?
Yes, it's a bit farther than Sudirman, but not by much. Tanah Abang is one of the largest and busiest markets in Jakarta, so it will feel busier than Sudirman. But since you're on a motorcycle, the traffic will probably move faster for you.
Ah, I see. So after Tanah Abang, I need to get to Gondang Dia Station. How do I do that?
From Tanah Abang Station, you will see a crossroads. Then you have to turn right onto Jati Baru Raya Street. Then go straight along the main road until you are on Kebon Sirih Street. Until you reach the intersection and see a building that says Wisma Mandiri, you have to turn right. Then go straight until you pass a building called Saripan Pacific. And when you reach the intersection, you have to turn left onto Jalan KH Wahid Hasyim. Just keep going straight for about 5 minutes. You will see a two-way intersection, and you have to turn left. After that, just go straight and you will find Gondang Dia Station on the right.
Okay, thank you so much, Naila. But is Gondang Dia further than Tanah Abang?
Actually, no. Gondang Dia is a little bit closer to the center of the city, so it's quicker to reach. You'll notice the roads will be less crowded the closer you get to Gondang Dia.
Oh, that's good to know. And after that, I need to go to Monumen Nasional. I've heard it's must see in Jakarta. How do I get there?
Monumen Nasional is really famous, and it's only about 15 minutes from Gondang Dia by motorcycle. You will just turn left and see the Tugu Tani again, and continue straight until you reach Medan Merdeka Timur Street. And you can't miss it. It's the tallest and most iconic monument in Indonesia. You'll probably see it from a distance because of the giant golden flame at the top.
So, Monumen Nasional is further than both Tanah Abang and Gondang Dia?
Yes, it's a little farther, but because you're on a motorcycle, it will feel quicker. And it's definitely one of the most impressive places in Jakarta. You'll love the view when you get there.
That sounds great, but what if the traffic is really bad? Jakarta is famous for traffic jams. Should I be worried?
I understand your concern, but riding a motorcycle in Jakarta is actually faster than other forms of transportation, even with some traffic. You can easily pass through smaller streets that cars can access. Just make sure to stay in the motorcycle lanes and follow the traffic rules.
That's a relief, but I think I'm a bit thirsty because the weather in Jakarta is very hot. Do you know where the mini market is around here?
Yes, you can see many mini markets when you get to both stations. But I have one more bottle of water. I can give you mine. Do you want it?
Yes, I want it. Thank you, Naila. That's very kind of you. I would really appreciate it if you could give me yours.
No problem at all.
Thank you. I'm feel ready now. I follow your direction carefully.
Great. I think you won't lose your way.
Yes, I'm very helped by your direction. By the way, is Monumen Nasional the most famous place in Jakarta?
Of course, it's the tallest monument in the country and one of the most iconic landmarks. It's more famous than other places like the National Museum or Istiqlal Mosque. You'll get an amazing view from the top if you decide to go up.
That sounds amazing. I'm really looking forward it now. But is there any restaurant around here?
You will be able to find a restaurant at the station because there will be many shops selling food there.
Okay, do you want to come eat with me?
No, thank you. I've already eaten, Dini.
Alright, thank you so much for all the help, Naila. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome, Dini. Have a great time exploring Jakarta.
I definitely will. Thank you again for everything.
Anytime. Safe travels and enjoy the ride.